Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to Think in English. If you're new here, I'm Sarah, and I help beginners learn English through daily activities. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join our growing community of English enthusiasts. Today, we're going to do something super practical. I'll take you through my room cleaning routine while teaching you essential everyday English vocabulary and phrases. Stay until the end because I've got a fun quiz to test what you've learned. Alright, let's get started. First things first, let's open these curtains and let some natural light in. Let's get this room organized. That's what we say when we're ready to start cleaning. I'm looking around my room and wow, it's a bit messy today. We've got clothes on the chair, books on the floor, and my bed isn't made yet. Let me show you how I make my bed. In English, we say make the bed, not affix the bed. I'm straightening the sheets, fluffing the pillows, and smoothing out the comforter. Perfect. A well-made bed instantly makes the room look better. Now, let's tackle these clothes. When clothes are not where they should be, we call them scattered or lying around. I'm going to sort them into 3 piles: clean clothes to fold, dirty clothes for the laundry basket, and clothes to hang in the closet. See how I'm folding these t-shirts? We fold them neatly to avoid wrinkles. Moving on to my desk area. It's important to have a tidy workspace. I'm putting away these pens and notebooks in their proper places. Look at all these papers. Some need to be filed, while others can go straight to the recycling bin. Remember, in English, we say throw away or toss when we get rid of things we don't need anymore. Time to dust. I'm using a duster to clean the surfaces. Watch how I move from top to bottom, that's the most efficient way to dust. Don't forget the window sills and picture frames. Now I'm grabbing my vacuum cleaner to clean the floor. Listen to these useful phrases: run the vacuum, vacuum the carpet, or simply I vacuum the floor. Last but not least, let's organize my bookshelf. I'm arranging the books by size and category. Some people prefer to arrange them by color, it's really a personal choice. And look! I found my favorite novel that I've been looking for all week. What a nice surprise! And there you have it. My room is now clean and organized. Remember, keeping your space tidy isn't just about cleaning, it's about creating a comfortable environment where you can relax and be productive. Before you go, let's test your knowledge with a quick quiz. Question 1. What do we say in English when we prepare our bed in the morning? Option A, fix the bed, B, make the bed, or C, do the bed. Question 2. When cleaning, what's the correct order for dusting? Option A, bottom to top, B, middle to sides, or C, top to bottom. Question 3. What do we call clothes that are scattered around the room? Option A, lying around, B, walking around, or C, standing around. Leave your answers in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends who are learning English. See you in our next video where we'll learn more everyday English together. Take care.